It's May, the merry month of May. I am so happy to be with you and so happy that it's springtime. My name is Mary Campbell with Divining Beauty. I'm a spiritual counselor and intimacy coach, and I help people come back to the truth of their body, connected to this wide world and a deeper sense of connection with all that is. So in the last few weeks, I've been bringing you my practices, one of my primary practices for helping us come back to right now. Because right now is both a crazy, upside down, strange time, this COVID time, and it's also spring. It's also May. It's also beauty everywhere. These practices that I offer really help us come back to home, this place in our bodies that's home, helping us remember that we have this always, this moment to stay right here, to be right here instead of in our thoughts and worries, as well as an opportunity to really take in what is here, the beauty, the loveliness, and springtime. So I'm here with daffodils from my garden. I moved into this house 6 years ago, and the people who lived here before were gardeners. So I have a built-in, amazing, beautiful garden that sort of assaults me from spring through fall with beauty. Helps to make my life a lot easier. But this practice that I've begun to teach, and I teach with all my clients, it's a part of my work together with myself every day, is a practice of coming back to this moment. This is the third of 5 weeks where I'm offering this practice week after week. If you weren't able to see the weeks that were previous, you can go down below on this on the notes, and you'll see a way to go back and see the others. They're also on my YouTube channel. But right now I'd like to do this practice with you. So week 1 and the first step is just to notice what's there. Look around you right now. Notice what's here, what catches your eye, what's sort of alluring you. Second step, why? What is it about it? Is it the color, this peachy color of this daffodil? Is it the way the shapes are? Is it the way the shape inside bursts on that one and has ruffles around that one, and each petal is a little different in shape? What is it about it that draws you to it? And the third step, the new step this week, is to introduce gratitude. Joanna Macy talks about gratitude as the primal wow for life. It's this amazing opportunity we have to live here instead of being stuck in the worries and stresses, which of course are real. This is also real. And the more we can open to gratitude, the more we can just open ourselves to that opportunity, it helps us to realize that we're sufficient. We don't need to buy something or download something or make something else happen. That what we have is enough right here. So give yourself this practice this week. Notice what's around you. Notice what catches your attention. Notice why, that act of appreciation or acknowledgement. And then the third, saying a wow, a primal wow, being in the thank you, being in this open-hearted gratitude. Gratitude is a this moment thing. This is not something, it doesn't depend on other circumstances, it's merely our choice. So I invite you to take that in, to take in the possibility that along with the struggles and difficulties are this opportunity to come back to what is good, what is beautiful, what is right. My friend Tim Freak talks about this as a both and life. So welcome in the both and of this life. We are so fortunate to be in May. Enjoy it. I'll see you next time.